Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredible passage from the Gospel of John chapter 21, where we witness a powerful moment between Jesus and his disciples. Let's uncover the themes of redemption and restoration. It's early morning by the Sea of Galilee. The disciples, having returned to fishing, are weary and disheartened after the events of the crucifixion. Suddenly Jesus appears, cooking breakfast over a charcoal fire. This simple act signifies his desire for connection and fellowship, reminding us how important meal sharing is in building relationships. But this moment wasn't just about breakfast. It was about restoration, specifically for Peter, who had denied Jesus 3 times before the crucifixion. Jesus asks Peter 3 times, "Do you love me?" Each time Peter affirms his love, and Jesus responds, "Feed my sheep." This repeated questioning underscores the theme of forgiveness and the call to leadership. Earlier they had caught nothing, but at Jesus' command they packed their nets full of fish. This miracle illustrates how following Christ leads to abundance and purpose in our lives. Jesus' words, "Follow me," serve as a reminder that our journey in faith requires commitment and action, even after failures. The disciples' reactions to these events highlight the importance of community. In moments of doubt and confusion, we need each other to reinforce our faith. So as we reflect on John chapter 21, let's embrace the themes of restoration, purpose, and community. Remember, no matter our past, Jesus offers redemption and a call to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.